So there's the investor and then there's the gambler. Those two types of people are very different and you better figure out which one you are. And we'll talk about that in a second, but for now, roll that new intro. What's up everybody, Rob Wilson here. It's Money Monday, the show where we talk about the most important things that you need to know about your money. And real quick, if you like this type of content, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you never miss another video. So as you know, I believe strongly that investing should be a big part of your wealth building plan. Of course, many of us didn't grow up talking about stocks and bonds at the dinner table, so many times we shy away from being invested in the market because we don't totally understand it. Which is why it's very interesting to me when these very same people who 5 minutes ago wouldn't touch the market with a 10-foot pole suddenly start texting me and hitting me up on social media asking about some hot new investment that they want to jump on. A while back, it was Facebook. When Facebook was going public, for many people, it was the first time that a company that they had an intimate relationship with was going to be selling shares. And to be sure, I would much rather you invest in something you know than something that you have no experience with, because that's when you tend to lose your shirt. But just because you know something does not mean that it's going to turn out to be a good investment. So everyone and their mother wanted to buy Facebook on the day that it started trading, but the shares ended that first day with almost no gain and then proceeded to go down more than 30% before recovering about a year later. Now since then, Facebook shares have done pretty well, but for those folks who rushed to get in there early, then got cold feet when the stock went down 30%, have largely missed out on the gains. And this is because those people weren't looking to invest in Facebook, they were looking to gamble in Facebook. And investing and gambling are not the same thing. And I wanted to touch on this now because I recently saw the same thing happen with Bitcoin. All of a sudden, people who were absolutely terrified of investing in the market suddenly wanted to gamble some of their money because they heard stories of how much other people were making in Bitcoin. But if you would ask these very same people to explain Bitcoin to you, to explain how it worked and what was underlying its valuation, that's when they started to get a little deer in the headlights kind of look. And here's the thing, sometimes the trend is your friend. When something is doing well, it should at least get your attention so that you start to do a little bit more research. But in general, people who invest in things that they know nothing about tend to end up on the losing end, because when things get rocky, they have no idea whether they should hold on, buy more, or run for the hills. So today, I hope you're getting excited about investing in the market, but I want you to be excited about being an investor and not a gambler. If you want to gamble, take your money, go to Vegas, and go see a show while you're at it. I'm sure you'll have a much better time. Because if your only reason for wanting to invest in something is because it's been going up, well, I'm sorry, my friend, but you have more homework to do.